In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add countdown timer in GoDaddy website. A countdown timer is a simple way to add urgency for a sale, launch, or event, and GoDaddy's website builder makes it quick to drop one right onto your page. I'll walk you through the exact path to find it and add it, plus a few tips to make it look great and perform well. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type GoDaddy and press Enter. Click the official GoDaddy website result, then sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen and click your username. From the menu that appears, choose My Products. This takes you to a dashboard that lists the sites and services tied to your account. Find the website you want to work on and click it to open the site editor. You'll land in a visual editor where you can change content and add new sections. Navigate to the page and spot where you want the countdown to appear. Placing it near the top of a page that promotes your offer or event usually gets the most attention. Now click the plus icon to add a new section. A panel will open with categories to choose from. Click General to see commonly used building blocks. In that list, click Countdown Timer. You'll see an option labeled Add a Countdown Timer to promote limited time offers or upcoming events. Click it to insert the countdown section onto your page. The countdown block will appear with default settings so you can see how it fits in your layout. From here, you can fine-tune it to match your goals. Set the end date and time for when the countdown should hit 0, and confirm the correct time zone so the clock is accurate for your audience. Update the headline and supporting text to clearly explain what happens when the timer ends, whether that's a sale expiring, an event starting, or a new product going live. Adjust colors, fonts, and alignment so the section blends with your site's design. It's also a good idea to preview on both desktop and mobile to make sure the numbers are easy to read and the layout doesn't crowd other elements. A few quick tips as you finalize the section. Keep the message short and action-oriented. Pair the timer with a clear button or link, and avoid running a timer for weeks on end. Shorter windows tend to drive better engagement. Once everything looks the way you want, follow your usual workflow to make the change live. And that's it! You've added a countdown timer in your GoDaddy website.